Helen's methods were unorthodox, to say the least. She spent countless hours poring over the code, using a combination of intuition and brute force to crack it. And then, in a moment that would change everything, she stumbled upon a crucial pattern, a sequence of letters that seemed to unlock the entire cipher. Nobody expected what happened next. Helen's discovery sent shockwaves through the British government, as her code-breaking skills were hailed as a major breakthrough. But for Helen herself, it was just the beginning of an incredible journey. As the Allies began to rely on her expertise, she found herself at the center of a maelstrom, a world of espionage and counter-espionage that threatened to consume her at every turn. In the end, Helen's work paid off in a big way. Her code-breaking skills helped the Allies gain critical intel on enemy troop movements, allowing them to prepare for some of the bloodiest battles of the war. But as we explore Helen's remarkable story, you'll also discover that there was more to her than just her technical prowess, a complexity and nuance that makes her one of the most fascinating figures in military history. As we leave Helen Potter's story behind, we can't help but ask, what other secrets lie hidden in the annals of military history? Join us next time on Channel Name, as we uncover more forgotten tales from the world of war and espionage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories that will keep you on the edge of your seat, and tune in next week when we'll be exploring the remarkable true story of